Hello everyone, today I will tell you how I have been earning the last week by selling cryptocurrencies. I will show you a bunch of all known Binance and Bittlebex exchange. As you can see, the price of Ethereum on this platform is 10% higher than on Binance, which means that we just need to buy Ethereum on Binance and sell it here. I have already bought Ethereum on Binance, and before, I am transferring to the deposit of my Ethereum wallet on this exchange. After we went to the deposit, select Ethereum and click Show Address. The address you need to copy will be displayed here, then go to Binance. To start, I will deposit $1,000, but you can deposit with any. This is about this much at the time of recording the video. Let's see how much Bittlebex exchange will offer for it. The money was credited to my wallet, you can see it here. Now we just have to switch to spot trading and sell Ethereum. Scroll down, select the entire amount for sale and click on sell. Great. Now you see $11 to $22 on your balance. Let's bring them back to Binance. To do this, go to withdraw. Select Tether USDT, select the desired network, in my case it is ERC20, then go to Binance and copy your address. Paste the address here, enter the entire amount and click on withdraw. Now waiting for all confirmations. As you can see, in just one lap, we made over $1,000. You can repeat this several times. I decided not to stop there and replenished my balance by another half Ethereum. That's pretty much all I have. Let's do the same. This time I earned even more, and now I plan to withdraw. So I made over $4,000. While I was showing you this video, I wish you all good luck. Bye.